Hello, my crafty friends. It's Jelly Bean, and I am here to draw for the spell book. Now, I did finish the spell book and put the inside covers on it, and now it's done. But this is what we're gonna draw for. I am so sorry, y'all. It has taken me so long. First of all, it's been a hectic week, but second of all, there's a little bit more involved in figuring out who qualified and everything, because I had to go back and put everybody's name, check them off, and then go back and check and make sure they were all subscribed to all the channels that were participating, and that took a little bit of time. But I have this empty box here, and I'm going to start folding these up and putting them in the box while I talk to y'all. First of all, thank you to everyone who commented and subscribed to all the channels and watched all the hop videos. All of us who participated and made stuff really appreciate that y'all watched, because without y'all, there's no hop, like Elisha said. But also, I had a really good response on my little dresser, the witch's dresser that I made. And since we've got somebody to watch my little lady, and they're gonna start next week on Tuesday, I will watch her Sunday and Monday, and then they will come in starting Tuesday and come every day until Sunday and Monday, which is a blessing, y'all, because it's been running me down pretty quick, I tell you. But since now I'm gonna have a little bit more time and we'll be able to do it, what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to do a tutorial and show y'all how I actually made the dresser and the back piece on it and everything with the foam. I'm going to show y'all how to do that. And who knows, maybe I'll give away the one I'm making the tutorial. So we'll see what happens. But, excuse me. Two, I want to let y'all know the reason I do the drawing like this is, first of all, I didn't know, but when I go and comment on y'all's comments, it counts as comments. So it's kind of hard to do a draw when half of the comments are from me. But at least that's what I was told. But also my grandson likes being the one to draw the name, and it's kind of cool because he's an unbiased party. He knows no one that any of these names anyway. He hears me talk about some of them, but he don't really know them. But anyway, thank you for all the birthday wishes. I had a very nice birthday. I kind of swapped the days on my birthday. I didn't celebrate it actually on my birthday because that day I had to take care of my little lady and watch after her. When I watch her, I cook breakfast, lunch, and dinner for her and take it over there and make sure she gets her medicine and everything. But anyway, so I kind of swapped. I was able to go get my nails done for my birthday. Thank you, Mom. And my grandson and I had made a cake, and you know, it was kind of quiet, but it was nice. And we're almost done. And hopefully Monday I will be back with some Happy Mail. I got a Amazon package that it is in the decontamination box. It's in quarantine, so anyway, I'll probably be back, probably Tuesday, because Monday's my day to watch the little lady. So anyway, got all these in here. I'm gonna close it up, give it a good shake, and I'm gonna holler for him. So y'all hang on just a minute. Okay, you ready? You ready to draw a name? You want to shake it? Okay, we don't have to shake it to death, just a little shake. Okay, pull one out. All right, let's see. Excuse me, who our winner is. Cynthia! I'm not gonna try to say your last name, but you're the winner, and I don't have your address, so if you will please email me your address, I will send you the spooky spell book. Thank y'all for watching. Thanks for listening. Y'all have a crafty night, and I'll see you real soon. Bye for now.